Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Toyota Camry, this generation right here from year 2015, 16 and 17. If you guys have one of those, and if you guys need to find where the PSB fuse is located, okay, this is the PSB stands for the pre-crash seat belts. Okay, practically if the car is detecting that it has a crash, okay, it's going to tighten the seat belts. We'll explain which two fuses you need to check, but they're part of the airbag system. So never, guys, okay, first consider this entertaining video only. This is not a how-to video, because if you're not qualified and certified to work on airbags, they can kill you guys. So another quick reminder for any of you that work on airbag systems, that you're qualified to work on airbag systems, quick reminder, you need to guys disconnect the car battery for at least 1 hour before removing airbag fuses, airbag components, because that can minimize the chance for something to go bad, that can seriously hurt you guys. And on these new vehicles, it's very important to know which battery terminal you disconnect, reconnect first. If you do it the wrong way, you can burn computers, modules, and that could be really expensive and costly. So we have a video that explains which battery terminal to disconnect and reconnect first on our channel. Check it out. Now we will explain where you can find those fuses, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, relays, fuses, that way you do not waste your money, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission. We show you how to do practically almost anything, guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry, guys, Camry, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located, because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business, guys. Because otherwise, if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses, guys, okay? You have different kinds of relays. You have these special fuses, by the way, that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. For the PSB, guys, PSB fuse, okay, this is the pre-crash seat belts fuses. We'll demonstrate on the 2017 Toyota Camry where they're located. You guys have two different fuse boxes, okay, on your car, and today we'll be working both. The first one is on the driver's side. Open the door, look above the brake panel, under the dash, all the way upside down on the left side. You will see one white cover. Open that cover, guys. You see a fuse box layout that will look like this one right here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we'll need to check one fuse, and if we come here, that's fuse number now 25, 6, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31. This fuse right here, guys, that 31 fuse is the one that you need to check. Now you have another fuse box. This is, guys, the engine management fuse box. Open this cover. Underneath it you have that fuse box layout right here. And here the fuse that we have is specifically for that is fuse number 37. This 10M fuse right here. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.